How to fix Facebook login alerts not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Facebook login alerts not working. So before we begin, if you're new here, just hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Now let's jump right in. First step, update your app to the latest version. Locate your Google Play Store, then find Facebook, and if you see an update button, tap on update if a new version is available. After doing that, what you'll then need to do is clear out your app's cache. So locate your Facebook, long press, tap on app info, then go to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After you've done that, we'll now head over to our app itself, go to Facebook, tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you're there, tap on your settings. After you're on your settings and privacy, head over to password and security. So go to Meta's account center for that. Then go to password and security under account settings. And after you're here, what you'll need to do is go to login alerts. Then tap on your account. And from here, make sure that both of these are turned on. Tap on either one and turn it on if they're not. Now, the other thing that you'll need to make sure is that you have allowed notification for Facebook. So go to your settings, go to notifications, go to app notifications, and then search for Facebook. So if you don't find it here, tap on most recent option here, the drop down button, and tap on all apps, and finally find Facebook. If you see it, toggle the button on. If it's not, then tap on Facebook, and from here just toggle on all of these. If you see a specific option that says login alerts, enable that as well, and that should fix the problem for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.